The AI world war has begun with the introduction of the Chinese-built large language model, DeepSeek. Is this the end of ChatGPT's dominance or just another chapter in the evolving AI race? Let's find out how DeepSeek stacks up against OpenAI. The arrival of DeepSeek wiped out a staggering $1 trillion of the leading US tech index, as its creators claim it was rivals ChatGPT in performance, all while being developed with fewer resources. DeepSeek surged to the top of Apple's App Store, surpassing ChatGPT as the #1 free app by January 27, 2025. The DeepSeek's success has disrupted the market. The Nvidia's stock price plunging 18% signals just how intense the competition has become. Despite the operating under US semiconductor export control, DeepSeek managed to build a competitive model at a fraction of usual cost, sending shockwaves through the market. On the other hand, ChatGPT has also responded in kind of stating that DeepSeek is exploiting US technology to gain an unfair advantage. Some US officials appear to support OpenAI's concern. At confirmation hearing this week, Commerce Secretary nominee Howard Lutnick accused DeepSeek of misusing US technology to create a dirty, cheap AI model. This stole things. They broke in, they have taken up IP, Lutnick said of China. As the AI rivalry intensifies, now it's clear that both the DeepSeek and ChatGPT are redefining the landscape. Now let's dive into how these two giants compare when it comes to coding. Now let's deep dive into comparison of both ChatGPT and DeepSeek. AI coding face-off. Both DeepSeek and ChatGPT bring unique strength to the coding table. ChatGPT is quick, efficient, and excels at solving simple coding problems, offering rapid responses and general advice. But how does DeepSeek compare here? Xavier Aguirre, an AI researcher at Samsung Medical Center in Seoul, recently shared his experience. He was struggling with a complex coding issue and ChatGPT couldn't offer a satisfactory solution. DeepSeek, on the other hand, solved it at once and straight to the point, he said. Even his post on LinkedIn has generated tons of buzz, with many others passing DeepSeek's remarkable coding progress. Quote from Xavier Aguirre: I am quite impressed with DeepSeek's by coding. We usually try to explore AI chatbots to the limit to see their capabilities in assisting with coding. Today, I had a really tricky and complex problem. Even ChatGPT 1 was not able to reason enough to solve. I gave a try to DeepSeek and it solved it at once and stayed to the point. Adi Osmani, head of Chrome developer experience at Google, shared in his LinkedIn post about the effectiveness of pairing DeepSeek with Claude Sonnet, a tool developed by US-based AI company Anthropic, which received $4 billion investment from Amazon in 2023. He also highlighted that DeepSeek is significantly cheaper to use compared to both Claude Sonnet and OpenAI's model, making it a compelling alternative for developers. Now let's dive some more comparisons. Which one is the best for content creation? Now coding is not only area where these AI models differ. Let's take a look at how these two perform when tasked with creating a blog spot. For this video, we are going to create a blog on the future of artificial intelligence. ChatGPT, while incredibly efficient, typically produces a well-rounded response in about 15 seconds. On the other hand, DeepSeek takes just 10 seconds to generate a response. However, it does something that's immediately noticeable. It adds a level of sophistication and insight that unexpected. The content is not only accurate, but it offers a deeper perspective on the subject, integrating nuanced arguments and providing a level of creativity that makes it stand out. Let's see how the two compare. Some real-time examples are there. ChatGPT, the future of AI, is expected to have a significant impact on many industries, from healthcare to finance. It is predicted that AI will make processes more efficient and allow business to make better decisions. DeepSeek, the future of AI, is an intricate journey of evolution, not just impacting industries like healthcare and finance, but reshaping the fabric of our society. AI will evolve in a true partner, one that assists decision making with unprecedented intelligence and foresight, creating new opportunities we can't even begin to imagine. As we can see, DeepSeek is slightly slower than ChatGPT, but it delivers a more structured and engaging blog that helps readers grasp the impact of AI more effectively. ChatGPT, while informative, lacks the depth and focus that would resonate with readers looking for more than just a basic information. Additionally, the DeepSeek's structure naturally incorporates effective keywords, optimizing it for research engines. This shows DeepSeek's ability to generate the content that feels more defined and innovative, positioning it as an AI capable of producing insightful material in a fraction of the time. This could be a game changer for industries relying on the written content such as marketing, journalism, and creative writing. Now let's start with chapter 3, DeepSeek versus ChatGPT, performance benchmark testing. Let's now compare the performance benchmark of DeepSeek, R1 and ChatGPT. We'll look at how both models perform in solving math problems, coding answers, and general knowledge questions and more. By comparing their test results, we'll show the strengths and weaknesses of each model, making it easier for you to decide which one works best for your needs. As we can see, DeepSeek R1 has slight edge over ChatGPT in key areas. It scores higher in math accuracy, dominates in coding challenges with 97% success rate, and delivers step-by-step reasoning using enforcement learning. However, ChatGPT counters with a larger 200K token context window and the ability to process both context and images. So, if you need high precision problem solving, DeepSeek is the front runner, but for versatility, ChatGPT is still a step ahead. Now let's compare DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT in mathematics. DeepSeek has 90% of accuracy, but ChatGPT has only 83% of accuracy. In coding, DeepSeek has 97% success rate, but ChatGPT on the top tier debugging, it has 89% success rate. Reasoning, RL-driven step-by-step explanations are there, but in ChatGPT, superior multi-step problem solving is there. Multi-modal task, in DeepSeek, there is focus only on text, but in ChatGPT, it supports text and images. In context window, there are 128K tokens in DeepSeek and 200 tokens in ChatGPT. Now let's compare both ChatGPT and DeepSeek in our chapter 4, Navigating Privacy and Ethical Concerns. Privacy and ethical concerns are particularly important when working with sensitive data. ChatGPT follows Western data protection standards, making it a safer choice for projects requiring strict data privacy compliance. DeepSeek's data storage practices and content moderation policies might raise concerns for certain types of projects, especially those involving sensitive information or requiring unrestricted analytical discussions. Each feature comparison reveals trade-offs that matter in different data science scenarios. The key is matching these capabilities to your specific needs and requirements. Now let's dive to chapter 5, DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. What's the final verdict in this? As we have seen, even though both DeepSeek and ChatGPT have their strengths, weaknesses, they still stand out as strong contenders in the AI space. But the million-dollar question is, does DeepSeek really have what it takes to challenge ChatGPT's dominance? Or is ChatGPT dead? Well, it really depends on how you look at it. From a business point of view, DeepSeek's open source framework and mathematical precision make it ideal for those on a budget or looking for flexibility. In contrast, if you need a well-rounded solution with strong privacy features and a polished user experience, ChatGPT stands out with a broader capabilities including coding assistance and content generation and image creation. So, what do you think? Which large language model will survive the AI war? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching.